Did you have a bad experience with your driving instructor? Or did you just have a fight with your partner while practicing driving? Do you have a bad feeling about learning to drive? Or maybe you just failed your driving test and have no idea why? Or are you just a beginner who isn't sure where to begin? So, whatever your circumstances may be, don't give up hope. Welcome to our new series, The Journey with a Learner. You'll see learners, just like you, taking real driving lessons with the real driving instructor in real life. You'll notice that they feel exactly the same way you do while driving. You can then relate with them and learn from them as they drive with their instructor. They pay to get the lesson, but you can learn from them by watching them driving for free. So, why are you waiting for? Just subscribe to the channel and join us on the journey with a learner. And we're looking forward to welcoming you aboard.
My name is Linh. I'm from Vietnam. I came to Australia around 5 years ago, and I finished Bachelor of Accounting and I'm learning to drive, so I can drive by myself.
Cool. And how many lessons are you doing today?
This is the third lesson.
Third lesson. Okay. What you have learned in the other two lessons?
I've learned to acceleration, braking, turning, to steering the wheels, and basic stuff.
Okay, cool. Are you enjoying driving?
Yeah, I'm enjoying so far.
Okay, so what is your target to learn today?
I just want to be more comfortable with the usual stuff, and I want to learn maybe U-turn and 3-point turn.
3-point turn. Okay, cool. All right.
Or reverse.
Reverse back here?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. It's up to you. If you feel I can do it.
Okay, sure. Alright, let's start then. Let's go. It was on, you just switched it off. Okay, anyway, you start it again. So, indicate left, first is indicator, remember? And then put on drive. Okay, handbrake is off by itself. Good. So, turn full to the left, or you can just reverse a little bit to go left. Because it's the big fan, it's very close. Yep. So just reverse a little bit. Did you look back before reversing? Okay, now put on drive. Turn full left. Check all around, make sure nobody's here. Okay. Now if we are dazzled with the sun, just put this one. This is called sun visor. It helps for the sun glare. Okay, just continue straight. Maybe we need to put the AC on. It's too hot, huh? Yeah, okay, put the AC on. And then we can go left here. And the stop sign, go left.
Can we go over this thing?
Wow. Really scaring me. How else do we go? The car is behind. Yeah, I think we can go. Go left here.
We need to stop first.
Yeah, just stop. Okay, now look on the left and go. See, there is like a little triangles, and we actually heading over the other side of the triangle. And if somebody wants to enter, they are actually heading the up side of the triangle. Go straight ahead. You wanna go left here?
I need to stop here because there is unbroken.
No, nobody's crossing the road, so don't need to stop. Just go left here. Indicate left, slow down. This is one way. Be careful, okay? More, and then go right slowly. And then stop here to check on the right. No, again, just turn left fully. Turn full quick. Turn more again. More. Go slow and look on the right. Good. Follow the one way. The straight arrow sign. Watch out this white car. Wait. Give the car some space to go. Okay. So the car is turning around. We have to turn around as well. There's no room to go. So just turn around to the right. And then reverse. Okay, reverse now. So how the other cars going there? What is the way? Turn full left. Full, turn full. Okay, enough. Oops.
See.
Be soft on my steering. Okay, now we need to go left. Follow the arrow, left arrow. The sign also says left only and no entry. So we cannot go straight there. Watch out the kids, of course. Okay, now can you follow the arrow? The arrow actually is there, showing you to go right. Let them cross. Okay, turn full. Make sure you don't hit the island, the pole. You have the same kind of stuff here. See the arrow? I mean the triangle thing. Over the hump. Okay. Now left here, slowly, very slowly. Check on the right before you go. Now move ahead. And then look inside and turn quickly. Turn quick. Oops. Try to keep left side. And then turn right and also keep left side. Straight ahead and then you go right. And after turning right you have to go left immediately. Slow down. Left immediately here. That was like little exam, huh? Left here. Go now, you go. Should come and stop on the middle, and then by this time we can complete our turning. Including the parking lanes, isn't it? We can go left at this roundabout. Check on the right. Good. Now go left. No need indicator to the left or any single roundabout. Can you go left at this roundabout? Beautiful water.
Yes.
Okay, slow down. So you want to do reverse parking? Let's do reverse parking. Okay, we will be parking behind the blue car. So indicate left. First thing we do is we go and stop next to the blue car. Okay, so keep the nose straight. We come a little bit close to the blue car, but keep the nose straight. So keep going ahead. Keep going ahead. Don't look at the car, just look straight to the water. But don't fall in the water. More ahead. More ahead. More ahead. Okay, so let's say like we stop next to the car, mirror to mirror, like this. Okay. Alright. So first thing we do is put the gear on the reverse. Good. Now, just listen. So now we'll be going left or right?
We're going left.
But with this car is coming here, and you made our life difficult. Okay. Anyway, so we're turning left. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So there's a specific measurement we will be following to make it easy. All right. Thank you. So because the car is here, we cannot, I mean, there is a chance of colliding with the car when it turns. So reverse it more.
Okay.
Just reverse it straight more. More. Okay. Let's select this. Okay. So that we avoid hitting the car. Okay. We got plenty enough space in the back. Enough is in the back. So now turn your steering to the left. How much? Not full one circle, half circle. A bit more. Okay. So how do you know this is half circle?
Because it's upside down.
Exactly, upside down. The writing on here on the steering is upside down. So that means it's half circle. Alright. So on the camera, man, what is this? Why this guy is coming here? They don't want to let us do the parking here. Okay, don't worry. We just do a 3-point turn. Just reverse.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. Put on drive. Can't full right. Can't full right. Full right. Oh,
So fast.
the guy is sure. He knew that you park, but he parked very close. Now put in reverse. Now turn full left to me. Yeah, turn full left. But don't bang the steering. Okay. Now before reverse, you need to check right, check left, and check back, and then you reverse. Take the foot off. We don't need the accelerator unless the car stops moving. Okay, stop now. Now put on drive first. Turn full to right, and then you check both sides, right side and left side, just to make sure no one around you. And when you turn, you have to go to your own lane. So be careful to go your own lane. Good. So the roundabout coming ahead, you can go left there.
Lin wanted to do a reverse parallel park here, but he could not do so because a car came up behind him and took the spot where he intended to reverse park. Lin has therefore made a 3-point turn by chance. However, he also did it in the parking lot, which was also by chance. This is, in fact, the true purpose of the 3-point turn. When you can't or don't want to go forward, turn around. In part 2, you'll see him learn this 3-point turn step by step, just like you'll have to do in the test. Stay safe until then, and we'll catch up with you in our next video. If you enjoyed the tutorial, subscribe to our RDT121 channel to get more amazing videos in the future. Please let us know what you would like to see more of.